Today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the consolidation zones indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel, where we will give you a list of winning indicators, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the consolidation zones indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 87 different strategies, with 25 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 80% win rate. We've also tested a total of 893 indicators, with 374 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 93 of the winning indicators. 34 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best two, a 76% win rate. Now, if you're interested in a full list of these indicators and strategies along with their win rates, we've compiled all that information into spreadsheets, which you will get when you become a patron of the channel. And keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Alright, so today we are looking at an advanced testing of the consolidation zones indicator. You can see it here on screen. And so in the original testing, this was able to achieve a 66% win rate in the 1 year's time and had 15 trades altogether. And so with the 15 trades, we did keep this on the default time frame and default take profit and stop. I'll go ahead and grab these right here. So that right there is our take profit and stop. And so the indicator itself, what it does is it creates these zones here, as the name implies, these consolidation zones. And so as price is kind of consolidating or ranging, it starts to create this upper line and this lower line, and then sometimes creates this kind of coloration background in between them there. And so what we are looking for is when one of these zones appear or is created here with the upper line and lower line. Not necessarily the background isn't important. We're just looking for the zone here with the upper and lower line. And then we are looking for price to break either that upper line or that lower line like it does right here. And so this would be an example of a short trade right here, a short signal. And so probably this little bar right there is where it actually makes the full break to the downside of that line. And then again, we're looking for that 60 pip take profit, and we get a decent little push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. And so if we move forward here just a little bit, you can see that we get the same thing right here. We get the zone is created, a break to the downside, and then we get a push to the downside as well. On the buy side here, we have this signal. You can see that we create this zone right here, and we get a nice breakout of that zone, that upper line right here on this candle, and we get a nice push to the upside. And so that's how we tested it in the original testing, and that's how we tested it in the advanced testing here. Now, one thing that I did want to note is that not only did we look for the break one direction or another, so you can see here that it breaks to the upside. If it also reversed and came down through that same zone and broke back down through the downside, that would be another valid signal that I took. And so I did count those as signals in the advanced testing. And so before we take a look at the numbers on the advanced testing, if you would please give this video a thumbs up. It helps the YouTube algorithm and makes YouTube happy, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Please don't give the video a thumbs down, even if it doesn't maintain that 60% criteria that we are looking for. We still want to keep YouTube happy, and we do that by giving the video a thumbs up and making YouTube happy. All right, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers here. So we did the 50 trade test like normal. Out of those 50 trades, we got 25 winning trades and 25 losing trades. And so that is not going to maintain that 60% criteria. It puts us obviously at a 50% win rate now. And so again, like most indicators, I do think there is some validity in this indicator. It helps to kind of frame out those areas where consolidation and range is kind of taking place. It doesn't always work great, but you can see that there are areas where it does a pretty decent job of kind of framing out that consolidation. And so all in all, I feel like it's still a pretty solid indicator, even though it didn't maintain that 60% criteria. And so if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the strategy that we have developed here on the channel after testing hundreds of indicators and strategies. I will put a thumbnail of it up on screen right now. I will also have a link up in the corner right now, and I will link to it at the end of this video. Also, some people have been saying that the link at the end of the video doesn't work, so it has the link up in the corner right now as well, and the link at the end. But it is a profitable trading strategy that we have developed. We have back tested and forward tested it. We're constantly tweaking and optimizing it and making it better. We're also looking to automate the strategy. Hopefully that's something we'll have done in the near future. And once we get that done, we will be offering it to any of our current patrons at a discounted price for a limited time. And then any new patrons will have access to it, but at a higher price. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. All right, that's it for this one here. Unfortunately, it is going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next video from here.